To get started, launch the Threads app on your device. You can access Ghost Posts in two ways. First, tap the new post icon at the bottom of your Threads app. Then look for the ghost icon near the Post button and toggle it on. Alternatively, go back and tap the two-line menu in the top left corner, where you will find the Ghost Posts option. If you don't see it, make sure your Threads app is updated. Once available, simply tap to access it. In the Share a Thought section, type in your text. Once you are finished, tap the Post button. Refresh the page, and your post will appear in the feed with a dotted line border and a small timer badge, showing your followers how much time is left. After 24 hours, the post disappears from the public feed in your profile, but you can still access it in your personal archive. For more options, tap your post, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, you will see options to edit, save, archive, or delete the post. Ghost Posts allow you to share spontaneous, high-engagement content without cluttering your permanent profile, as they automatically vanish after 24 hours. So that's how you can use the Ghost Posts feature on Threads.